Hello, my name is Mitch Cowart, and I'm a deficitaholic. That's an excerpt from my first entry in in the first reflective journal from this course, as I considered a non-deficit theory of change. And I was wondering to myself as I wrote that, isn't sort of the first step admitting that you have a problem? And is that deficit focus? So I went on to write in my journal that I wanted to adopt a non-deficit approach to change for me personally, but I didn't know how. And, this week I was reading that article from the American scientist entitled The Value of Positive Emotions by Barbara Fredrickson. And she laid out the answer to my question. She writes, my advice would be to cultivate positive emotions. My advice would be to cultivate positive emotions indirectly by finding positive meaning within current circumstances. Positive meaning can be obtained by finding benefits within adversity, by infusing ordinary events with meaning, and by effective problem solving. You can find benefits in a grim world, for instance, by focusing on newfound strengths and resolve within yourself and others. You can infuse ordinary events with meaning by expressing appreciation, love, and gratitude, even for simple things. And you can find positive meaning through problem solving by supporting compassionate acts towards people in need. So although the active ingredient within growth and resilience may be positive emotions, the leverage point for accessing these benefits is finding positive meaning. So I don't know about you, but that quote gave me a lot of hope. It was very positive. But the sentence that really infused me with hope and illuminated the path forward for me this week was her saying explicitly that the answer lay within my strengths. So I went and took an inventory of my strengths. I looked at the VIA character strength survey that we took a week ago that suggests my top 5 strengths are creativity, honesty, judgment, perseverance, and perspective. I also looked at my results from the Gallup Strength Finder, which identified my top 5 to be ideation, strategy, learner, communication, and futuristic. And then I added another that I took a year ago from the Team Dimensions profile that identifies me as a creator. So one of my big revelations from these readings is that I can leverage my strengths, the strengths I already have, to create ideas, perspectives, and strategies about a positive future. I don't have to go develop a whole new set of strengths. I don't have to embark on some big change initiatives for my own personality. But I simply need to remember to use the ones that I already have. So this is the image. So this is the image I want to use as my reminder to use my creativity to create positive images and narratives about possible futures.